So this right here, this is getting ready to be our DRL flexible LED light strip. This is going to be for your headlights. So I'm a little skeptical on these right here, and the reason why is because I'm not sure on how exactly these are going to work if you ever happen to go through a car wash or something like that. So I'm on the original description for flipping this over right now. It does show different than what it was telling me what I could do, because I was always wondering how you can wind up and get these to go around all the way to the top, bend like that, come down and back in. I can see if he was going in and down and around some way, but how you able to do this and come down with the rubber, I was curious on how you're going to be able to do that and still stick it down to the side. I'm getting ready to open these up real quick to see exactly how they work. First time messing with them, DRL flexible LED light strips. Alright, I hope I got us a little bit better view now. Put up a little tripod real quick. So it looks like these are almost going to be identical to the strips that I placed on my rails. My step rails in my car. Yeah, pretty much these are going to be identical to the LED lights that I put on the step rails of my truck. And check out the other video if you want to see what those look like when they were done down. It looks pretty much the same thing. I'm slightly concerned because I did want to use one of these on each headlight. So we're going to see if that's going to actually work out for me in that process. It looks like the cable is going to be pretty long. So my goal is going to be to put one on each headlight. One on this one on the other one. If it works out the way it's supposed to, maybe we'll add some more later on. But first, let's see exactly how this sticks and if it'll work out the way I want it to. Let's check it out. Okay, so I'm going to give you an example for right now. This is a strip, and the thing I was talking about is that when you take this right here and you put it where you want it to go, as I go up, if I try to bend over, see that crease that I'm going to get right there. So no matter what I do, when you try to get these kind of lights, bending them around the way you want them to, you're going to wind up with some kind of gap. And by forcing that gap out, what you're going to wind up doing is over time pushing it slowly away and away and away. And as you start getting wind, water, debris in here, you're going to wind up having something flapping on your car. So that's always been my issue with these. I'm going to install them anyway, even though something's telling me to go ahead and send them back. We're going to install them, see how they work, see what they look like. And one thing I wanted to show after I did the other side is you're going to see these gaps right there along in the tape, right there, and right when I pull them or after you pull it, see if I can boom clear up a little bit for you. So you're going to see them all along right there before you pull them. Because they did that right there, DRL, that guarantees that that tape that's in there already has lost the majority of its stickiness. So that also kind of hurts my feelings just a little bit, because that's gonna not only not let me place it the way I want to place it already, but also take away from the life of how long this is actually getting ready to stay on my car. So I'm just showing that little quick thing to y'all real quick, focusing on you a little bit better. So if you see yours and it's like this, depending on where you're putting it, might be an issue. If not, make sure you're not forcing it in too many different directions that it's not really wanting to go to, because all you're going to make it do is just pull back up on itself. So I just want to throw that to y'all. I'm going to show you when it's fully done. So I placed this one down, and it's only been sitting for about 5 minutes before it's already pulled away from where it was supposed to be. up here. You see that? That's exactly why I say don't force these to where they don't want to go, because it's not going to work out. If it's not going to lay there, it's not going to lay there. So yeah, for sure, I'm not keeping these ones. These are going to go back. Maybe I'll look for another one to get. The concept and the thought was nice, but it's not going to work out. So while I'm here, I just want to show you all a couple of quick examples of while I'm already getting ready to say before I even finish this review why these light strips particularly are garbage. So let's go zoom in right here before I even finish wiring them up. It's already popped up right there. Let's go check this right here. It's already done came up right there. That's that side. Check it out. Let's come over here to this side. See on the top, it's already came up. Over here, it's already came up. Over there, it's coming up. So pretty much, yeah, these didn't even make it through the install before they came off of the stickiness. So before I even finish this interview, and I'm still getting ready to finish it because we're getting ready to go to Vegas. And I'm not taking these back off now. I'm just gonna let them sit on here until another replacement comes when I get back. But I am going to have to say that I'm going to look for another brand. I'm still going to finish hooking them up just so y'all can see what they look like turned on. I'm a little disappointed because we got the step rail lights down there. Probably not going to be able to see them too good. We got those in there. And those have been fine with the wheel LEDs. But these lights right here, garbage. So I'm just being 100 with you. I'm not trying to get you to watch some of these videos so you can come and buy it from me. I'm gonna be the test dummy. I'm gonna be the one to jump out there for you first. See if some of these people really got to offer what they say they got to offer. And if not, it is what it is. But yeah, these DRL lightings, all bad. So this is daylight. That's what they're gonna look like right there in the daylight. Boy, I am getting ready to tell you straight out the gate. This is my personal opinion again. They put the tape on the same side that the actual lights were on. This is how much it's already pulled off from how I put it up. This tape's not good. I'm actually getting ready to wind up taking these off now. And I'm going to wind up blasting for the trip. The concept was nice, the idea is nice. But the quality of the actual glue and the strip of what they're putting on these is pretty sorry. I don't know if this was just a bad one that they made. I'm not even sure if this is actually how it's made, where they leave it white like this on the actual side that you want it to show. Maybe that's a safety thing on, I don't know what they're doing with these exactly. It's just my personal opinion that these are a no-go. But I am going to ride them before I send them back to get my money back because I spent this time in putting these on and it isn't what you said it was. But if you want them, DRL lighting for the headlights, there they go. Wait till it gets dark. I'm doing a little nighttime little clip so you can see what they look like. And then we'll go from there. But it doesn't look that bad. So on this particular car right here, I don't know if I really want something like that. It wasn't the exact vision that I was looking for. But it is a nice look depending on what kind of car you want to put it on. So I'm giving you this distance look for a reason because we've been talking about how it's sticking and not sticking. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like if you was just someone that walked out from a distance. We're not going to do the close-up right now. There they go.